I'm going to be showing you how to upgrade dragons in Royal Match. So in Royal Match, the Dragon Nest is one of the mini games. To upgrade dragons, you don't use coins like the King's Castle. Instead, you need dragon cards. So here's how it works. So in order to collect dragon cards, you need to play levels during Dragon Nest event. You also get them from chests and sometimes as team rewards. So make sure you're a steady player, and you also need to open chests, pass levels and special stages to unlock chests containing dragon cards. Higher levels chests usually give better cards, and just use the cards to upgrade your dragons. So the benefit of upgrading your dragons is they give you bigger rewards during the event. They also help you progress faster in the Dragon Nest. So being active in a team or just being in an active team helps a lot, since teammates can send you extra cards. So there you go. That's how you upgrade dragons in Royal Match. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.